In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work management tool, and importing data into it can make your workflow much more efficient. So, let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to get your important data seamlessly into Monday.com. First, let's start from your Monday.com homepage. When you're on the main dashboard, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing various settings and options within Monday.com, so you'll find yourself using this menu quite a bit as you explore and customize your workspace. After you've clicked on your profile icon, you will see a menu pop up. From this menu, look for the option that says Import Data. Click on that link, and it will direct you to a new section dedicated to importing various types of data into the platform. This is where you can bring in your essential files and information, so you'll want to familiarize yourself with this page if you plan on importing data regularly. Once you're on the Import Data page, you'll see that there are numerous options available for where you can import your data from. Monday.com supports a variety of file types and sources, so you'll likely find an option that suits your needs. Today, though, we are going to focus on importing from Excel, which is a popular choice for many Monday.com users due to its versatility and the ease of use it offers for organizing data. To proceed with importing from Excel, select the Excel option from the list. After you select it, you'll then see a prompt that allows you to either drag your file directly into your browser window or browse through your computer's files to find and select the Excel document you wish to upload. If you're dragging and dropping, simply locate your file with your mouse, drag it into the designated area, and the system will begin the importing process. If browsing, navigate to where your file is stored on your computer and select it to initiate the upload. These methods provide a straightforward way to get data into Monday.com, enabling you to leverage the platform's organizational features efficiently. Remember to ensure your file is formatted correctly and contains all the necessary information you want to import. Once your upload is complete, you'll be able to view and manage your imported data within Monday.com, making it much easier to keep your workflows streamlined and organized. And that's it for today's guide on importing data into Monday.com. With these steps, you can bring crucial information into your digital workspace, helping you and your team stay on track and productive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy importing!